The far side of the moon isn't actually hidden, it's just a side that we never see from here on Earth. It's always there, just turned away from us, like a neighbor we never meet. We only see one side because the moon spins on its own axis at the same speed it goes around Earth. This is called synchronous rotation. Imagine a dance perfectly in sync, where one partner always shows the same face. It's a cosmic dance that's been going on for billions of years. This cosmic dance keeps the far side a secret from our view here on Earth. A mystery we've only recently started to figure out. For centuries, people wondered what amazing things and mysteries were on that hidden side. Stories and legends were made up about what could be hiding there. Would it be like the side we see? Or maybe something totally different, full of secrets and surprises? Or would it hold something completely different? Human curiosity has no limits. The mystery fueled our curiosity, pushing us to create technology to finally see what was beyond the familiar face of our celestial neighbor. Space missions were launched to explore the unknown. The far side of the moon became a symbol of the unknown, a blank canvas for our hopes and fears about the vastness of space. It reminds us that there's still so much to discover in the cosmos. The Soviet Luna 3 probe gave us our first peek behind the curtain in 1959. It sent back grainy pictures of a landscape that was surprisingly different from the side we knew. Craters, mountains, and huge plains filled the view, but the familiar dark spots, the lunar seas, were mostly missing. This difference made everyone even more curious. What caused this big difference between the two sides? Why was the far side so full of craters? The United States Apollo missions in the 1960s and 1970s focused on landing people on the near side, but they gathered important information about what the moon is made of and its history, giving us clues about how both sides were formed. More recently, robotic missions from China, Japan, and India have explored the far side in much more detail. These missions have uncovered a treasure trove of information about the moon's geology, its magnetic field, and even its possible resources. The Chang'e 4 mission, for example, made the first soft landing on the far side in 2019. It's still sending back valuable data, including the discovery of water ice in craters that are always in shadow. These discoveries aren't just about the moon itself. They give us clues about how our solar system started, how planets form, and if there could be life beyond Earth. The moon, especially its far side, has always been a hotbed for conspiracy theories. Some folks claim aliens have secret bases there, hidden from our eyes. Others think ancient civilizations built amazing structures on the moon, showing off their super smart technology. While these ideas are fun to think about, there's no real science to back them up. Pictures and data from many different space missions, from different countries, don't show any signs of alien activity or old cities. The moon's environment is super harsh. There's no air to breathe, and the temperature swings are wild. It's really hard to imagine any group, human or not, living there. Section 5. The Moon's Embrace, Tides, Time, and Our Celestial Guardian. The moon isn't just a far-off object in the sky. It's always there, a fascinating presence that affects many parts of our daily lives. It plays a super important role in our lives here on Earth, changing both nature and our culture. Its gravity pulls on the Earth, creating the tides. The ocean's water goes up and down in a regular rhythm, shaping coastlines and ecosystems for thousands of years. Without the moon, our coasts would look very different. The moon also helps keep the Earth spinning steadily, stopping big wobbles that could cause huge climate changes. This balance is super important for life as we know it. It acts like a heavenly shield, catching countless meteoroids and asteroids that would otherwise be a danger to our planet. So the moon protects Earth from many dangers. Our connection with the moon is old and deep. For as long as people can remember, it has been a symbol of mystery and power. It has been a source of wonder, inspiration, and useful knowledge for countless generations. the moon keeps on amazing us and affecting our lives in ways we're still figuring out. Section 6. A launchpad to the stars. The moon's role in future exploration. As we go further into space, the moon will become more and more important. It's not just a place to visit, but a key starting point for bigger missions. It's like a stepping stone, a place to test out new ideas and plans for future trips to Mars and beyond. Here we can try out new ways of living and working in really tough places. Because it has less gravity, launching rockets from the moon is much easier and cheaper than from Earth. This opens up lots of new possibilities for space travel. Its resources, like water ice, could be dug up and used to support future moon bases and even fuel missions deep into space. Mining on the moon could be key to making things last. The moon is like a new frontier, a place where we can learn how to live and work in space for a long time. It's a natural lab for all of us. It's a hard but rewarding effort that will push the limits of human cleverness and teamwork. Exploring the moon is a very important step for humanity's future in the universe. Section 7. Lunar mysteries remain. Unanswered questions and ongoing research. Even though we've learned a lot about the moon, many mysteries are still out there. Scientists are still trying to figure out how the moon was made, why its two sides look so different, and what its inside is like. Finding water ice on the moon brought up new questions about where it came from and where it spread out. Could there be more water hiding under the surface? Could it be used to help future human homes on the moon? These are just a few of the many questions that keep pushing us to explore the moon. With every mission, we get to know our space neighbor better, but the moon, like any good mystery, always seems to have some secrets up its sleeve. Section 8. The Lure of the Unknown. Why we're drawn to the moon's secrets. Why are we so fascinated by the moon and its hidden side? Maybe it's the pull of the unknown, the wish to explore the last bits of untouched land in our cosmic neighborhood. Or maybe it's the moon's connection to our past, its part in our old stories and legends, that keeps catching our imagination. We see ourselves mirrored on the moon's surface, a reminder of our own journey of discovery and exploration. Whatever the reason, the moon keeps inspiring us, pushing us to reach for the stars. Section 9. Keeping the moon's legacy alive. Protecting our space neighbor. As we keep exploring the moon, it's super important that we do it carefully. The moon's environment is delicate, and what we do there could have unexpected results. We need to make sure that future trips are done in a way that doesn't harm the moon's environment too much. We also need to protect important historical spots, like where the Apollo missions landed, so future generations can see them. The moon is something we all share as humans. It's our job to keep it safe so that people in the future can explore it and learn from it. Section 10. A new era of discovery. What the future holds for lunar exploration. We're standing at the edge of a new age of moon exploration, with many countries and private companies planning trips to the moon. The next few decades are going to be a really exciting time for moon science and discoveries. We can expect to see new technologies created and used, new things found, and new questions asked. The moon, which used to be a sign of the unknown, is becoming a familiar place, a spot where people are learning how to live and work away from Earth. Our journey to the moon has just begun. The secrets it holds promise to show us even bigger wonders and possibilities in the future.